Engineered for adventure, the mid-size 2021 Callaway Canyon SC410 is ready for wherever you want to go. You can choose the GMC Canyon AT4 or GMC Canyon Denali or elevation trim levels. All are equipped with Callaway's intercooled TVS 1740 based Supercharger, high flow intake and exhaust system with precise engine management powertrain calibration. Significant increases in horsepower and torque deliver improved acceleration, towing, and hauling potential. Plus, Callaway's inlet air path bypasses the Supercharger's compression section during idle, acceleration, and cruising to minimize engine load and maximize fuel economy. Sold, serviced, and financed by your local GMC dealer, Callaway Canyons are ready for your purchase now. These limited production pickups come with an array of standard equipment. All Callaway Canyons are constructed to stringent engineering specifications by expert technicians in our California and Connecticut facilities. With flawless drivability and bulletproof durability, Callaway's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty retains the full factory GM warranty, providing the most comprehensive coverage of any aftermarket manufacturer. Visit your local GMC dealer or call Callaway today at 866-927-9400 or join us 24/7 at CallawayCars.com.